Guys, it's Cooking with Freds. Today we have Ty Freddy here, and we're cooking scrambled eggs right now. Let me just put in the camera. You guys can see that. So we gotta put the butter around by getting something, like a spoon or something. Now we gotta move the butter around. We totally don't have a human helping us. Now, we have the egg mix here. You guys can see that right here. Now we're going to use that egg mix. Real quick. And we'll pour that in.
I like staring at people.
Isn't that satisfying, right?
Yes.
Alright, let me just get the camera in. If you guys can see that, now all we have to do is wait. Isn't that good eggs? Now we have to wait. By the way, we totally don't have Frontier and soccer kids helping us. Right, Tyler Freddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we totally don't have humans helping us.
Yeah. Oh god, no.
I think he died.
I'm okay.
Alright, let's zoom in on the camera. Doesn't that sound satisfying? Right. Now, you're probably not going to be able to see, since this is really hard for us. We're going to, we'll just look at us while we wait for the eggs to be ready. Well, a totally not human gets two delicious, 2 plates, and he stops the stove. Right, Tyler Freddy?
Yeah. Kind of painful. Not my back. I'm not doing anything.
If you guys can hear that, it sounds satisfying, doesn't it? This is for Tie-Dye Freddy. And this is for me, Lefty. I guess this much eggs wasn't enough. Okay, I think we're done. We'll show you the results in a second.
POV the cooking video be like.
We...
Go for Texas, probably gonna go off.
Okay, guys. We'll show you the eggs, the scrambled eggs. They might not look good though. And
I don't know what you're talking about. Those things will delicious.
alright, we'll see you in the next video. Frontier. Bye.
Bye.